ancient Appian Way, and these are the original basalt stones that made this street. To know what's the story of the Appian Way, you need to imagine that originally, instead of a road, there was a river, a little river ending up inside the Tiber River. Millions of years ago, a volcano erupted and the lava got up until here. Filled the bed of the river and it solidified, and it became a street made of basalt stone, which is this kind of stone, which is basically lava erupted by a volcano, which is solidified and it's very sturdy and resistant. The Romans found basically a street which was already made, and they realized that the basalt stone was actually a super resistant material, perfect to build new roads. Or they started to cut and shape the basalt resulting from the lava into this kind of stones that we see today. And this is what the ancient Roman roads really look like. Later on, after the fall of the Roman Empire, roads were not made in this shape, but in this shape. And these are the so-called San Pietrini, the cobblestones, which are made with exactly the same materials as the ancient Roman roads. And you, have you ever walked onto an ancient Roman road? Follow us for more tips about Rome.